The 2015 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, UCONNECT hands-free group, front bucket seats, power seat. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.